Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can upload a picture to Instagram from your PC. For this, open Google Chrome. Now open Instagram and log in. Now right click at the site and click on Inspect. Now you will see the interface like this on the right side or at the below. Now click on here, toggle device toolbar, or you can also hold Ctrl plus Shift plus N. After clicking on this, you will have this type of interface, just like the mobile. Now click on here, responsive, and click any of it. And now refresh the page. I can see you are having an interface of the mobile phone and all the features available on the mobile phone. If you want to upload it, click on this symbol. Now select where the picture is. Adjust the picture from here. You can also apply the filters and click on next. Write the caption and click on share. You can also tag the people or add the location here. Now click on share. Open your profile to check if the picture is uploaded or not. Now you can see the picture is uploaded here. Now that's how you can upload any type of picture from your PC to Instagram with an instant. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.